In this video, you are going to see how to print email in Gmail. Here I have a mail in the Gmail. Just go to the right and here you will find the option print all. Just click on over here, then you will see the print pop-up will be appeared. You can select your printer from here, or you can save the email as a PDF and you can print it later. Here I have 3 pages. Let me click on print to PDF, click on print and just save the email in the desktop and just give a name email and click on save. And here you will see I have saved the email as a PDF. You can print it anywhere from any computer. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.